Hi, James Kanga Motorsports. We're finally getting back to the Datsun Engine build. It's been a while, I know. We got it back from the machine shop and it's just been sitting while we've been busy with the race car. So now we have a little time on our hands. We're going to get back to cleaning up this engine block. We got the cylinders bored out to 88.5 millimeters for larger pistons, but we still got a bunch of work to do to this block. Previous videos we've cleaned up the inside, now we've got to clean up the outside, and then we're going to have to go through, clean the water galleries, clean out the oil galleries, and then chase all the threads, get the block cleaned up, get the top surface decked, and then she's ready to start doing the final measuring and get ready for assembly. So let's get to it and start cleaning up this engine block. So as you can see, we've managed to clean off most of the paint from this block. There's about 3 to 4 layers of paint on this block, so it's good to get rid of it, get it ready for painting. There's still some spots we didn't quite get to, they're kind of hard to reach, but it's good enough to give it a paint. We really focused on trying to get as much build up and gunk out of the water galleries as we can. We'll give those a wash out and try and get as much of that out as best as possible. Then we've cleaned out the core plugs in any of the water ports. We've chased a bunch of the threads with some brushes, but we'll chase those with taps later on. We'll give it a wash, and then the block can go off to get decked. We'll give her a final clean, and then we can start the measuring process and get ready for assembly. So thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Some bits that are hard to get to, or where the paint had built up over time. Paint doesn't build up over time.